We are showing you this modern, smart, Pinoy-inspired house and lot for sale located here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. And welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 150 square meters, 260 square meters of floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living area, dining area, service kitchen, lanai, pocket garden, automated gate, and carport for 2 cars. Priced at 17.8 million pesos. So guys, nakikita nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng facade ng house na ito. Very modern yet may pagka-native ang dating niya kasi nga Pinoy-inspired. So we have this 2 carport with automated gate, and of course your pedestrian gate is right there. Napakaganda ng treatment sa kanyang flooring. Parang resort ang dating niya. Okay. Behind me is a storage room for your car stuffs. Let's check it out. Yan. Tons of storage for your car stuffs or anything na gusto nyong itago away from plain sight is there. Yan. Very nice din itong fluted details ng wall dito. Okay? This area right here is an access going to your service area later on. Pupunta tayo. But right now, syempre, pasok tayo sa loob. Big and tall wooden door with, of course, smart lock. As we enter, una nyong mapapansin are the flooring. Kasi herringbone yung style niya ng pattern. Very nice. And of course, makikita rin natin dito, meron tayong solihiya na console right here. Your TV will go right here. Ito maganda rin tong ginamit na detail sa wall natin. And what I love about this house is on colder months like today, meron tayong mga jalousie, modern jalousie dito na pwede mong i-open for ventilation, of course natural light, and hindi ka mag-worry because may screen na rin siya. So it's modern, no? Also dito sa side na to. Okay, makikita natin, ayan, no? 'Di ba? Pag malamig, pwede lang natin buksan 'to, 'di ba? Para pumasok yung ating fresh air. Okay? And of course, the ceiling, ang ganda rin kasi wood design din siya. Of course, may ceiling fan tayo pang papresko ng bahay, of course, and also a very nice chandelier dito sa inyong dining area. Okay? So behind me is a pocket garden. Actually, it's very spacious for a pocket garden na merong mga calathea right now. Very nice. Parang resort talaga yung dating niya. Yan. On this side right here is your main kitchen. So you have your sink. Meron tayong wine rack dito. Storage all around. Your range and your range wood, of course. Then, you have this very nice area right here na merong microwave, oven, and of course, your water dispenser and more storage right there. Dito pwede yung mga coffee machine, di ba? Very nice area. Yan. Then, coming here, dito naman ilalagay yung inyong 2-door refrigerator. Okay. On the ground floor, meron tayong bedroom. So, ito may view ito nung inyong pocket garden. So ito, I think this is a multi-purpose room. Pwede itong gawing office, or bedroom, or guest room. And all the switches, guys, are like this. For example, ayan, light, cove, and fan. Okay, yung fan natin. Then you have air conditioning also. Now, meron tayo ditong door. Access ito for your toilet and bath. Come here. You have your enclosed shower. Ang bright ng pagkaka-interior niya. So light and neutral colors lang ang ginamit. You have your toilet and your sink. And Jack and Jill ito kasi this door leads out to the main area. Okay? Modern switches right there. Then itong side na to is your service area. You have your stove right here, your dirty kitchen. And itong stairs na to will lead to your staff room. So very nice kasi may sarili silang area for their privacy, no? Okay. Uy, bongga. They have their own toilet and bath with sink, toilet, and shower. Yung CR nila guys, ng staff natin ay kamukha lang din ng mga CR natin. So napakaganda. Hindi tinipid. And of course, your staff room na may napakagandang view ng ating pocket garden. Imagine, also they have their own closet space. Really nice. Okay? Let's go down to the main area. And now we're back to the main area. One more look for your kitchen. But nice, no? Imagine preparing your meals here, your dining area, and your spacious living area. Ang ganda. Nagko-comment yung cameraman natin na gusto niya daw ito. Sobrang ganda. Kasi sa dami namin nakitang houses, syempre guys, nako-compare namin, ang ganda ng quality nito. You have a storage right here. Nandito rin yung breaker. Plus, yung inyong CCTV monitor is here. Okay? By the way, dahil nga smart house to, it can be accessed through your phone para at least kahit wala ka sa bahay, na monitor mo yung house mo. Okay, let's go up. Wooden stairs. Lighted ang inyong handrails. At yung stairs niya guys, hindi siya masikip. Okay? Maganda yung spacing ng stairs niya. Oh. Wide. Upon landing, meron tayong door dito, which is the first bedroom. Upon entry, you have storage, then cabinets here, soft close, and very spacious. Your bed will go right here. Very nice wall detailing, ceiling fan, big windows, and your own toilet and bath. Sink, toilet, and your enclosed shower with shampoo niche. And one thing I noticed guys is even the second floor has high ceiling. So napaka aliwalas niya. You have a lot of space to move around. Next room, bedroom number 2. Just like the other room, very nice wall detailing. Ceiling fan is there. Your TV will go right here. And you have a door right here going to your bathroom. Sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with shampoo niche, of course. Once again, very high-tech switches. And this door leads to your second floor balcony. Oh, very nice, oh. Imagine may mga magandang plants ka dito. Very tropical vibe, Pinoy vibe, resort ang dating niya. Now, let's access through here to the main bedroom. Okay? Big wooden door. Oh, nice. Natural light, abundance of natural light. Your bed will go right here. Closet, soft close. Then, you have a big mirror. And of course, your master bathroom, your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with natural light also, high ceiling, well ventilated, and of course, your medicine cabinets are here. Dito ka magpe-prepare ng skincare, makeup, and all. Ang ganda rin ng detail because meron tayo ditong malaking console for your TV. May desk ka dito. And another access to your balcony. Right here. Actually, itong balcony, super spacious siya. So, pwede pa itong lagay ng sofa or long table for your gatherings, di ba? May ceiling fan ka na rin dyan and well-lighted siya. Okay? Very nice. Now, let's go to the recap. This property has a lot area of 150 square meters, 260 square meters of floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living area, dining area, service kitchen, lanai, pocket garden, automated gate, and carport for 2 cars. Priced at 17.8 million pesos.